Hey guys, Tristan here, and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be explaining to you what really happens when Thomas the Train character I've never seen before. Well, not never seen before, never seen again. Yes, this is another Thomas the Train video. Deal with it. And then something special at the end. What really happened to Salty? This is the true story. This is the true story of why he's so dead. And yeah. So, first of all, instead of the tipping sheds, it's the diesel sheds, and then it's very bright. It's a very bright light window here. So basically, what happens is one of the Thomas the Train people comes out. In this case, it was Arthur that we caught on camera. And then all of a sudden, when they're crossing the diesel shed platform, this happens. And then door swings open and they die. And then murdered. I'm sorry to say it, but if you look behind the diesel sheds, you will just find a bunch of dead trains. And today, I think the Taker is coming out today. And oh wait, that's him. That's him. He's using his special powers to reveal a hand that takes them and eats them all. Well, that was brutal. Relentless, Mr. Taker. Oh my god, the Taker is hacking the camera. Oh my god, help! Mayday! Mayday! Now this is what really happened to Salty. And he betrayed the Diesels, and his punishment was getting pushed off a cliff by Diesel 10, like this. And then Diesel 10 proceeded to take in all of Salty's broken bits and put them into his shed. And just like that, Salty was just another meal for the Taker. Oh my god. Is that him again? And he knows. He knows. The Taker knows all. Well, he found the camera again. Everybody might want to start running now. Okay. So, I think that's what really happened to them. It was very disturbing to find out, and I'm honestly amazed that the Taker found the camera both times. How? I don't know. How did I even find that footage in the first place? I don't know. Anyway. Like, whatever. If you don't like this video, then don't like it. I really don't care. Just, enjoy your day. Bye!